Imagine a world where every craving for indulgence, every desire for frozen sweetness becomes not only possible but also easily achievable, where the joy of creating your own frozen delights with precision and according to your tastes invites itself into your kitchen. This world is now within your reach thanks to the Ninja CREAMi, a revolution in the realm of frozen desserts. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This machine is absolutely ideal for frozen dessert lovers who dream of creating personalized, indulgent or healthy treats at home. It is perfectly suited for families, foodies, and anyone looking to explore an endless variety of frozen flavors tailored to all diets and preferences. At the heart of this innovation is an elegant design in black and silver, which hides unmatched power and flexibility. The Ninja CREAMi is not just an ice cream maker, it is the passport to a limitless culinary adventure, offering the freedom to transform your favorite ingredients into ice cream, gelato, sorbet, smoothie, and milkshake. With its 7 preset programs, it caters to all cravings and adapts to all diets, whether they are indulgent, low in sugar, dairy-free, or vegan. The process is incredibly simple. Fill, freeze, process, and enjoy. Fill the container with your chosen ingredients, leave it in the freezer for 24 hours, then blend to achieve a creamy dessert in just a few minutes. The machine comes with 3 dessert containers, allowing you to prepare up to 1.4 L of ice cream and offering a variety of flavors to satisfy everyone. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from very satisfied customers. The Ninja CREAMi is also distinguished by its ease of cleaning, with removable parts that are very dishwasher-safe. It is designed to be your kitchen ally with an intuitive handling thanks to its touch controls and user-friendly features. The Cremify technology, exclusive to Ninja, ensures a perfect texture with every use, transforming frozen bases into a creamy delight. But what truly makes the Ninja CREAMi unique is its ability to customize each dessert. Thanks to the Mix-ins program, you can evenly add chocolate chips, candies, nuts to your creations for consistently surprising and delicious results. Imagine a chocolate ice cream sprinkled with pieces of your favorite chocolate or a fruity gelato enhanced with chunks of fresh fruit. The possibilities are absolutely endless. With Ninja, turning your kitchen into a culinary creation space becomes child's play. The Ninja CREAMi is not just a device, it is indeed an invitation to explore, experiment, and savor. It encourages you to push boundaries of indulgence, discover new flavors, and share moments of pleasure with your loved ones. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features and order it at the best price right now. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility. Capable of creating a wide range of frozen desserts including ice cream, gelato, sorbet, smoothie bowls, and milkshakes. Advantage number 2, customization. It allows you to easily add mix-ins to personalize the flavors and textures of the desserts. Advantage number 3, ease of use. Simple touch control and a clear 3-step process. Fill, freeze, blend. Advantage number 4, suitable capacity. Supplied with 3 containers allowing you to prepare up to 1.4 liters of frozen desserts. Advantage number 5, easy cleaning. Removable part, dishwasher compatible. And advantage number 6, and the very compact design. Elegant design and size extremely suitable for most kitchens. Advantage number 7, health and diet. Offers options for low sugar desserts, dairy-free or vegan products. Now let's move on to a few drawbacks. Disadvantage number 1, preparation time to anticipate. Requires freezing the ingredients for 24 hours before they can be blended. Disadvantage number 2, limited capacity. Although capable of preparing up to 1.4 liters of dessert, this may be insufficient for large gatherings or parties. And now, imagine being able to access all these possibilities at the best price while discovering the hundreds of satisfied customers who love the Ninja CREAMi. Wouldn't it be a perfect opportunity to bring the magic of homemade frozen desserts into your life? To not miss out on this opportunity, click on the link in the description, order now and start creating unforgettable moments around personalized frozen delights. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.